Hey guys, today I want to share with you my little tool haul I got from Home Depot. We got the Milwaukee clamps here, the 11-inch and the 5-inch ones. They're all the swivel pad base. So, reason I went with these over the Irwin Vice Grips is basically they felt better. They feel like they're built a little bit better. They're made in Taiwan versus made in China, which are the Irwin Vice Grips. And I like this feature down here where you can put a screwdriver in there and really tighten it down if you really need that. I find for the most part that just setting this where you need it and then being able to squeeze this onto something and clamp it down, good most of the time, but every once in a while after you squeeze this on and clamp it on something, you want to put a little bit of extra juice in there, if you know what I mean. So go ahead and give that a couple turns as well, and you can really clamp on good with these things. So let's take a quick closer look. They have this really nice quality coating on their tool here. Feels good. I will say it does feel better than the Irwin Vice Grip. But like I always say, time will tell. See how good it holds up. So, but anyway, yeah, it's pretty straightforward. But yeah, that's my tool haul from the Home Depot. I just wanted to share that with you. Anyway, yeah, like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy. Later.